Hi, I'm John Paul Flame with DVO Realty, and today I'll be showing you this brand new modern contemporary home located in Valle Verde subdivision near Davao International Airport. Tara, let's check the house. As for the orientation of this property, this is facing northwest and you have a 150 square meters lot area and around 172 square meters floor area. It features a 3-bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage. As you enter, you have your 2 steps here that will lead you to the pedestrian gate of this property, and you will have a covered entryway pagsulod nimo sa property. On my right side, naa kay garden area diri napatuyok na siya padulong sa likod sa house, and on my left side is your car park that can accommodate 1 SUV. So the good thing about here is that patuyok sa property no kay semento na siya. So on this side you have your dirty kitchen or laundry area, which I'm going to show you later. But karon ipakita sa nako sa inyo ang features sa sulod sa property. So as you enter the property, you have your solid door here. You also have 2 set of locks no for safety purposes. And here you have a spacious living area with a double height ceiling. So what's the good thing about this property is there is a termination between the living area and your kitchen area. So dili diretso ang imong living and kitchen na asyay makita ninyo na asyay division. Okay? So you can put your sofa here and also you can put your television here na ana pud siya abang nga mga saksakan in case you will be needing it in the future. So on this area is your dining area. So this can accommodate for about 6 to 8 seater dining table. You also have a good accent chandelier. And on this side is your kitchen area. So this is a fully functional kitchen already upon turnover. Naana pod kay burner cooktop, naana pod kay exhaust fan. You also have a double sink with detachable na hose. Also, you have a sliding door here on your kitchen area that will lead you to the dirty kitchen or to the laundry area sa gawas. On the ground floor, you also have a guest room or common room here for your visitors or for the elderly. It also comes with cabinets already for your wardrobe cabinet, and also it comes with its own toilet and bath. So this is a fully functional toilet and bath, overhead shower. All the fixtures here will be included upon turnover. So this room comes also with a sliding door that will lead you to the garden area of this property. Tara, let's check the second floor. Pagsaka mo sa second floor, you will be greeted actually by this wood accent chandelier, and also you will be having this solid wood na steps. No? Also, you have a glass railings here and steel handrails. Also, pagsaka mo sa second floor, there is an access to your balcony. This is a spacious balcony. Nakita jud nimo ang view sa whole subdivision. So you also have a design here for the wooden slats no sa imong exterior sa imong house. So let's check first the first room here on the second floor. The good thing about this property is all of the rooms kay naa siya toilet and bath or private toilet and bath sa iyang CR. So you have a spacious room here. You also have the wardrobe cabinet included, and also this room comes with its own toilet and bath. So you have your hallway here. This is a spacious hallway on the second floor, and this will lead you to the master bedroom of this property. So you have a good accent chandelier for your master's bedroom. So you have a good accent for your bed here and also for your headboard. So you have a wardrobe cabinet already included. So this is an open layout na wardrobe cabinet. If you want nga ipa-close siya, so you have the option no nga ipa-close siya if ever you want it. Also, this house comes or this room comes with a large toilet and bath. So look at the space this room has for its own toilet and bath. Also, Floor to ceiling ang ihang tiles, and also it comes with a lighted mirror sa imong CR. If you're looking for a real estate investment here in Davao City, you can follow me through the social media platforms. My name is John Paul Flame with DVO Realty. See you!